Most people think alcohol only affects the liver. But when you stop drinking, your brain, heart, sleep, hormones, and even your metabolism all start transforming. And some of these changes happen way faster than doctors ever expected. Stay with me, because one of the numbers I'm about to share has nothing to do with your liver. But it might completely change how you live your life. Today, we're counting down 7 incredible things your body experiences when you stop drinking alcohol. Number 1. Your body begins repairing itself almost immediately. Within 24 to 72 hours, your blood alcohol level drops to 0, and your liver can finally stop prioritizing alcohol detox. This frees it up to start clearing out fat deposits and get a better handle on your blood sugar and cholesterol. At the same time, your sleep might feel a little unusual. Alcohol suppresses REM sleep, so when you quit, your brain rebounds, often causing vivid dreams and lighter sleep. It can feel strange, but this is your body relearning how to rest properly. It's the beginning of real repair. Number 2. Your brain and mood start to improve. By about 1 week in, inflammation in your brain begins to reduce, and your dopamine receptors start to recalibrate. You'll likely notice your anxiety dropping naturally, your focus improving, and your emotional stability returning. And here's the twist most people don't expect. Alcohol wasn't actually relieving your stress, was creating it. Your brain is now able to regulate your mood without chemical interference, and many people report feeling calmer than they have in years. Number 3. Your body starts burning fat again. By the 2-week mark, your metabolism gets a powerful reset. Since your body always metabolizes alcohol first, fat burning gets put on pause whenever you drink. Once you quit, your insulin sensitivity improves, belly fat starts to melt away, and that persistent bloating disappears. Even without changing your diet, you might notice a flatter stomach, feel lighter, and find your clothes fitting better. It sees your body finally being allowed to do what it was meant to do. The results can be really surprising. Number 4. Your heart and hormones reset. After just 30 days without alcohol, your cardiovascular system shows measurable improvements. Your blood pressure often drops, your triglycerides decrease, and your heart rhythm stabilizes. Meanwhile, cortisol, your main stress hormone, begins to fall. Your other hormones, like testosterone and estrogen, start to find a healthier balance. Your energy levels rise naturally. Many people describe this phase as the moment they finally feel sharp, clear, and truly alive again. Number 5. Your immune system strengthens. Alcohol actively suppresses your immune function, making you more vulnerable to getting sick. Within about a month, your white blood cell function improves. Inflammation throughout your body decreases, and you become more resilient. You might notice you're catching fewer colds, recovering faster when you do get sick, and just have a general sense that your body is finally protecting itself efficiently. Number 6. Your skin and appearance transform. Alcohol is incredibly dehydrating and triggers inflammation, which shows up on your face. Within just a few weeks of quitting, many people noticed reduced redness, fewer breakouts, and brighter, more hydrated-looking skin. Even your eyes can look clearer as that facial puffiness fades away. It's a visible, motivating change that shows you on the outside how much your body is thriving on the inside. And finally, number 7. Your brain and life fully transform. This is the most powerful number on the list. Quitting alcohol strengthens your prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain responsible for focus, decision-making, and self-control. Your mind feels sharp. Your motivation returns. Your energy surges. You don't just feel healthier, you start living differently. You regain the control, clarity, and confidence that alcohol had been quietly stealing from you all along. Now, if you have alcohol dependence, stopping suddenly can be dangerous, and it's very important to seek professional guidance. But for most casual or moderate drinkers, these 7 changes are real, measurable, and absolutely life-changing. Stopping alcohol isn't about giving something up. It's about reclaiming your sleep, your clarity, your energy, and your control. Your body wants to heal, it just needs the chance. If this video helped you understand what alcohol really does to your body, subscribe to the Wellness Crib. Smash the notification bell and like this video for more videos like this. We break down what's actually happening inside your body without fear, hype, or guesswork. And in our next video, we'll explore something almost everyone struggles with. What happens to your body when you don't get enough sleep? You won't want to miss it.